Good morning, students. In last video, we have already solved some examples of this topic, that is the conversion of a solid from one shape to another. Okay, so now also we find some other questions or other examples of this topic. See your book, example 10. A copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. So a copper rod, that means this rod is in the shape of which one? Cylinder. So here you see this is the copper rod. Copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter. This is the diameter. This is 1 centimeter. And height of this rod is how much? 8 centimeter. Okay. Then is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. That means this copper rod again reshaped in the shape of a wire. Wire is also in cylindrical shape. So here this is 18 meter. Length of this wire is 18 meter. Length is 18 meter, that is 1800 centimeter. Here question said you find the thickness of the wire. Thickness means the diameter of the wire. Okay, so I think all of you understood in this figure. This is the rod, copper rod, which is in the shape of a cylinder, and again it is reshaped in the shape of a wire, which length is 18 meter, that is 1800 centimeter, and both are in the shape of a cylinder. So that means the volume of this copper rod is equal to the volume of this wire. Okay, so now here we find what? Now the length of the rod. Length of a copper rod, that is 8 centimeter, and diameter of a copper rod, that is 1 centimeter. So radius is equal to what? Capital R, that is equal to 1/2 centimeter. Okay, so then you find what? Now the volume of the copper rod. So the volume of a rod, that is equal to the cylinder, the volume of the cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. So that is pi into r square, that is 1/2 into 1/2 into h is 8. Okay, so here it is 2 to cancel, so here it is 2 to 4, 4 divided by 8, that is 2, so that is equal to 2 pi centimeter. This is the volume of the copper rod. Again question said what? And the rod again reshaped in the wire, which length is 18 meter, that is 800 centimeter. The length of the wire is equal to 18 meter, that is 1800 centimeter. Okay, so according to our question, the volume of a rod is equal to volume of a wire. Yes? Okay, so volume of a rod is equal to 2 pi centimeter cube is equal to volume of a wire. This is also in shape of a cylinder, so this is also pi r square h. Here it is h1, then here we write h2. So that is 2 pi centimeter cube, that is pi r is equal to 1800 into 1800 into r square. I mean diameter r we can find. So here you write h is length of the wire is 1800. So it means h2 is 1800. So into r square into h2 is 1800. So both sides pi cancel. So this implies r square is equal to what? 2 divided by 1800. So that is 1 upon 900. So then that is equal to, this implies r is equal to root over of 1 upon 900, that is 1 upon 30 centimeter. R is 1 upon 30 centimeter, but thickness, that means the wire, the thickness of the wire, that means the diameter of the, so the diameter is equal to, here write the thickness of the wire, thickness of a wire, that is equal to diameter of a wire. So that is equal to 2 into r. So that is equal to 2 into 1 upon 30, that is 1 upon 15 centimeter. Okay. So the radius of the the thickness of the wire is equal to 1 upon 15 centimeter. Okay. So here also two solid, one is a copper rod and it is reshaped in the copper wire. Okay, and both are in the cylindrical shape. So volume of this rod is also equal to the volume of this wire. So then you can find the radius, then double of the radius, that is the diameter, that is also the thickness of the wire. Okay, so I think all of you understood. Then come to next question, example 11. A hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe of a rate of 3 whole 4 upon 7 liters per second. How much time will it take to empty after half the tank if it is 3 meter in diameter, and here it is given pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, according to your question, if pi is given 22 upon 7, so you can put 22 upon 7. If pi is given 3.14, so you can also find, you can also put pi value is 3.14. Okay, so then see here, a hemispherical tank full of water. Here is a hemispherical tank full of water. Okay, here a hemispherical tank full of water, and if it is a 3 meter diameter, so the diameter is equal to 3 meter. So radius is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, diameter is 3 meter, so the radius is equal to 1.5. So here question said water. Now this hemispherical water tank is emptied by a pipe. Okay, so at the rate of 3 whole 4 upon 7 liter per second. So a pipe is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, so first you find what? Now the volume of the water in this hemispherical tank. So here you write water. Now the diameter of hemispherical tank, that is equal to 3 meter. So radius is equal to 3 upon 2, that is 1.5 meter. So the volume of water in this hemispherical tank, volume of water in hemispherical tank. What is the volume of hemisphere? That is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. When we find the sphere, volume is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. When it is a hemisphere, so then the volume is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. That is 2 upon 3 into pi into r cube, that is 1.5 cube meter. Okay, this is the volume of a hemispherical tank. So that is equal to what? 2 upon 3 where pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into 1.5, that means 15 upon 10 into, or here also 1.5, here we can write also 3 upon 2. Okay, so 3 cube, 3, 3, 9, 3, 27, here it is 2. 2 into 2 into 2, so that is equal to, here it is 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 upon 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Okay, so then here you write 2, here it is 4, then again 2, here 11, here it is 2, then 3, 9, so that is equal to 11 into 9, 99, 7 into 2, that is equal to 14, 99 upon 14 meter. This is the volume of the water inside the hemispherical tank. Okay, then again question said water. Now this water emptied by a pipe. So pipe is in the shape of a water cylinder. So then here it is in per second, in 1 second 3/4 upon 7 liter water emptied. And how much time will it take to empty half the tank? This is the capacity, or this is the volume of the water when tank is full. Then half of the tank, that is equal to the volume of water to be emptied. So the volume of water to be emptied, that is half of the total volume, that is 99 upon 14, that is 99 upon 28 meters. Okay, now this is in meter cube. Now we convert into liter. Okay, so then we know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 99 upon 28 meter cube, that is 99 upon 28 into 1000, that is 99000 upon 28 liter. Okay, this is the water inside the hemispherical tank, which to be emptied. This is the half of the water inside the hemispherical tank, which to be emptied. Then again question said what? In 1 second water emptied, how much? 3/4 upon 7. So here you write according to the question. Okay, according to question, 3/4 upon 7 liter of water emptied in 1 second. So that means 3/4 upon 7, that means 7 into 3, 21, 21 plus 4, that is 7 is here, na? Yes, 21 plus 4, that is 25 upon 7 liter of water emptied in 1 second. So then the total water is this one, which is emptied. So 99000 upon 28 liter of water emptied in how much? Now this divide this, so that is equal to how much? 99000 upon 28 into divide this, so that is 7 upon 25, 7 here 4. So then here 25 divided, so here it is 25 375. So divide it, so that is equal to 7 upon 25, so that is equal to how much? 25 375. So here we can in division, so that is equal to 9 9 0 0 0 divided by here 25 into 4. Okay, 100. So now 0 0 0 0 cancel, so that is equal to how much? 990 second. That is equal to how much? Then divided by 60, so that is equal to 16.5 minutes. Okay, so here 99000, so here 728 divide 4, 25 into 4, that is 100, so 0 0 is cancel, 990 second, that is equal to 16.5 minutes. Okay, so now but according to our question, how much time will it take to empty the half the tank, that is equal to 16.5 minutes. Okay, so now it is the examples are completed. So in the next video we will solve exercise 13.3. Okay, thank you.